In this tutorial, I will be teaching you the beginning stage of the beginning method. So the first step is called the cross, the white cross. So let's scramble the cube. Okay, so this is what the solved white cross looks like. It's simply the white center along with the 4 edges, as well as these edges need to match up with their centers. So there are some basic moves to complete this step. Okay, one quick reminder for when you are solving the white cross is that you are allowed to mess it up. So in this example, I have this white and blue piece that is not correct, and this red and white piece which is correct. It's in the correct spot. However, in order to get it, this white and blue piece over to here, I'm going to need to mess this up in order to get it that way. And since I have no other solved pieces, I can freely move the bottom once I move this. So I can just do an F move, turn it, line it up, and then just fix this. And by doing that, I put this from here to here. I mess this up, but as long as I have a way to put it back, it still works. So just remember that you can mess it up the edges that are already solved, as long as you put them back when you're done. The first step to figuring out the cross is to find a white edge as well as the white center. So here's the white center. I like to keep my thumb on it just to make sure that I can remember where it is, and then you can look around the cube to find some white edges. So I'm going to start with the orange edge right here. And as you can see, it's already matched up with its centerpiece, and it's right above where it needs to go. So the white edge is right here. All I need to do is move right here. So all I would do is simply do an F2, which would be turning the front face twice. Okay. Second edge is right here. It's the blue. It's the exact same location. So all I need to do is the same thing, F2. I found a third edge, which is the red, and it's already matched up. So all I need to do is do an F prime, which just means turning the front face counterclockwise once. The last one is right here, and this one's a little bit harder. The bottom is right here. The center piece that it needs to match up with is here. So in order to solve this, we need to do a short little algorithm. So for this one, it would be U, and then L, F prime, and L prime. So all we did was move this piece over, put it into its spot, move it down, and then fix this side. The cross is pretty intuitive, so you really don't need to learn very many algorithms, but I'll do one more example because those were pretty easy. I have messed up the cube again, and we're going to solve the white cross. So first, we must find the white center, which we did, and we have 2 pieces in place, but they aren't actually in place because this does not match with its centerpiece color, neither does this. So we can pick one and figure out which one. I will choose the green. So in order to match this up, all we need to do is just move this bottom face once, move it over so it matches up. Next piece I see is this one, and it's already connected to its centerpiece, so all I have to do is turn it down, do an F move. The next piece I see is this orange and white piece. However, it's in the wrong position. Most people would like to just turn it. However, that messes up these two, so I do not want to do that. What I'm going to do is it's on this side, so I'm going to move it out of the way, turn the bottom, put it back in, and now I will correct it. And these 3 sides stayed the same throughout the whole thing. Last piece is this blue and white, and all I have to do is align it with its center color, and the white's down here, so all I have to do is do an F2. And there, my white cross is solved. like I said earlier, it's pretty intuitive. You don't really need a lot of algorithms, as they call it, to figure out the white cross. So there is video number 2. To see step 3, click up here.